Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I will tell you about the beautiful but dangerous oleander flower. Before, we had uploaded a video on how to take care of it because this is very poisonous. Make sure to watch that video. But today I will tell you about a different topic. This is dangerous, so why do we plant this? This is because for its beauty and it attracts many pollination insects such as bees, butterflies which help in pollination. But to keep this in your garden, you do need to take some precautions. Then only you can keep this in your garden. The flowers bloom, bees come, butterflies come and they dry up. But now the question arrives, can I compost dried oleander flowers? Is it safe to compost oleander for using on a kitchen garden? And the last final question is that, can I put this oleander in the composting bin and after we have composted it, can I use it in our garden? My mom has done some research work and studies about it, and after research work and studying, she found out that there is no strong and clear evidence. But some people do say that it is safe to add in our composting bins. After proper composting, then you can use it. But shall we use it in our kitchen garden or our flowering garden, or can we use on both? After my mom has done researching, she found out that some people say that it is safe to use in our kitchen garden. Although my mom suggests to not use it in our kitchen garden and only use it in our flowering garden. If we trim these dried flowers, then this plant will bloom for more 30 to 45 days. Not only that, but also plants will become free from any kind of insect attacks. Also, while trimming the dried flowers, my mom also trimmed the plant a little bit, because my mom did not get the time to prune in spring season, because the flowering came too early. Now I will tell you some steps how to lay this out in the composting bin. First of all, add the dried flowers. Then add the green leaves and stems. Then add some soil. My mom also added some coco peat. Lastly, make sure not to forget to sprinkle some water. My mom has a tip here. You can add some Bioenzyme solution or some curd or some jaggery to make this process go faster. After 90 days, this will turn into a super healthy kitchen waste compost. How to make kitchen waste compost video is already uploaded in our channel, so if you want to watch, then watch. Or else my mom is uploading a fresh new video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.